welcome to a new video.
Welcome to our YouTube channel, Brooklyn and Renee. Like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell down below
so you don't miss a video. Okay, this is gonna be a weekend in our lives in Winnipeg, Manitoba. It's gonna be great. We're starting off Friday night. We're going out. It's a friend's birthday. It's gonna be great.
It's gonna be great. It's gonna be chill. Should we do a little fit check?
Oh yeah, look at this girl, looking nice. We'll do mine later. Anyways, we're going out to a restaurant to have some drinks first, and then maybe bowling after. So let's do it. Okay, so we're at Moxie's. This is Alyssa. She's the birthday girl. We love her. You'll see her in future videos. What are we doing? We're drinking wine. We're having a good time. And we're looking cute. We're bowling.
I got a strike.
She did. I am bad. Okay. We're done with tonight. Friday night over. We loved it. It was a great time. Renee's a great ball. I was gonna say bowler.
I got like one strike or two.
You got like 4. It was really good. She was good. Anyways, it was a really good night. Celebrated a great friend's birthday. It was amazing. We got more stuff tomorrow planned. She's got to work. We're going to show you our days separately, unfortunately. But we'll be together by the night. So it should be good. Good night, everybody. See you tomorrow. See that transition?
Love it. Okay, I just got home from Brooklyn's. It's 10:45. I have to leave in 15 minutes. If you watch our TikToks, you'll know that I'm late for work every single day. So let's see if I can make it there on time today. And I look like garbage and I really gotta fix this.
Okay, good morning, everyone. Or honestly, good afternoon. I slept in to Saturday. It's fine. Honestly, sleeping in makes me so happy in life. People who wake up at like 5 in the morning for no reason. I just don't understand it. Like, I'm a night owl. Anyways, it's like the afternoon-ish. Maybe we'll make coffee. Let's do it.
And I'm ready for work. Love a good transformation. I have to be at work in 5 minutes when I'm at home, so I will be late.
First things first, water. Always. Okay, so now that I am waiting for my coffee to brew in the French press, I'm gonna make my breakfast. I literally always have oatmeal. Like, I always have porridge. I don't know what's wrong with me, but I don't get sick of it. I used to be that type of person who, you know, you got your meal, you have it for like a couple weeks, and then you never want it again because you just have eaten it too much. But nope, not me. Like, for some reason, all of a sudden in my older age of mine, I'm obsessed, and I have been for years. So that's what I'm gonna make. Okay, so while I'm waiting for the water to boil, I cut up, this is what I do in my porridge. I tried baked oats yesterday. It was alright, but honestly, I just like regular old oatmeal. That's what I like. Anyway, so I grabbed my fruit. Give me a second. This is, I need hands. Okay, I really hope this doesn't fall. Okay. So I get an apple. This is like my OG recipe. I switch it up sometimes. I may add some stuff sometimes, but this is like mostly hardcore every day what I do. I have an apple. I've already used it because I don't like to use a whole apple because that's a lot. So I'll use like a quarter of it each day. And I'll cut up into small pieces. Stick. Okay, so the water is boiling. I personally don't measure out my porridge. I just kind of like do it as I do it. I'm gonna stop this because this is gonna be really hard, but yeah, I just kind of feel it out. Anyways, while that is cooking away, I grab all my apple pieces and I just throw them in there. So they kind of cook and get soft. Okay, another thing about me is I'm obsessed with ginger, so I always put in my porridge. Okay, so I just put banana slices in there too, of course, to make it a little sweeter. Okay, oatmeal's ready, time to put it in a bowl. Okay, I also like to top it off with some raspberries and blueberries. Okay, and then of course you could put like milk like normal people do, but apparently I'm not normal because I don't really do that either. I don't really put anything, I just eat it dry, but I'm trying to eat more protein, so protein yogurt it is. A travesty just happened. So I always, without fail, every morning in my life, put cinnamon in my oatmeal, and I forgot. So I had to put it on top. It looks appealing, but it's just way better in. Anyway, I'm gonna sit here, drink my coffee, eat my oatmeal, probably watch some YouTube. And yeah, this is my slow Saturday morning, afternoon, day. I don't know if you can see this, but it's literally like raining so hard right now. This is crazy. Okay, I feel like it's not coming up very well on camera, but like this is insane. Like I don't remember the last time we've gotten this much rain. Oof. Anyways, I was gonna go to the gym, but absolutely not. I will probably just work out here in a bit. Right now, a little update. I've literally been sitting here the whole time trying to plan, not really plan, but trying to book some sort of flight for an adventure coming up. I'm struggling. I waited too long. Regrets. Okay, so for my lunch today, I'm having a chicken club with a Caesar salad. It's literally the best thing we serve at lunch. Okay. We are at the point in my day. What an exciting day after people. Literally doing nothing. Okay, I'm about to work out now. I need to move my body. I need to work out. Because that's what I do now, apparently. Who would have thought? Not me. So we're gonna work out. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. I think I'm gonna walk on the treadmill for incline for like a half hour and then do some weight stuff. We'll see. Okay, so I just started walking on the treadmill. I'll be on here for like, I don't know, maybe a half hour, maybe less. We'll see how I'm feeling. I'm just at home. Usually I like to go to the gym now, but it's raining, so honestly I have a lot of stuff at home. Pretty lucky, so I'm just gonna do it here today. And yeah, let's do it. Also, unpopular opinion, I always put like the safety belt on when I'm walking the treadmill. My sister fell off one time and it just scares me. Okay, let's go. Okay, I'm sweating a lot. I did a half an hour walking at 3 at the highest incline. Apparently that's the thing. So Renae told me. And I did like an extra minute running on incline at like 4.5. So yeah, now I'm gonna lift some weights. If you want like a workout video, let us know, we can do it. But I don't really have it's not really planned out, so I'll just meet you after I'm done. Okay, so I'm back in the kitchen. We're making dinner. I'm making like a stir fry thing, and then I'm gonna have seaweed with it. It's gonna be really good. Okay, so basically I just have like a big mix of vegetables. I also have pineapple in there. It's so good if you have that in there. And now I'm gonna put, as like the sauce, I put a bunch of like spices in there already, and now I'm gonna put in sriracha and this naked saucy thing. It's like soy sauce pretty much, but I try not to eat too much soy. And yeah, you can also put shrimp in here, but I'm gonna do eggs. Okay, so this is the final product. We've got the rice and eggs on top, and then I've got these seaweed things, and I will show you what I do with them. Okay, so basically I take one out, and they're really big. They're like the sushi ones, so I like fold them in half, and I break it, and then I fold it in another half, so it's like in quarters. And then it's like I'll take a little sheet like this, like so, and I'll put some rice in there, some eggs. Okay, and basically once you have all the good stuff in there, you're gonna add sriracha because I like it spicy. And then, hold up, I love ginger like so much. I could eat literally a whole thing of this in like one sitting. I have to restrain myself. So anyway, take a little bit of ginger. We'll plop that. It's okay, I just washed this, it's fine. And I'm just gonna put in my little burrito. And eat it, and it's so good.
Okay, so I got home from work at like 4:30. It's now like 7:30 because I was being lazy, but I did a little workout. I did some sprints on the treadmill, and now I'm doing this ballet upper arm back workout thing. It honestly looks really easy, but it's really hard, and I'll link it down below for you guys. Okay, no, that workout probably looked really easy, but I swear it's actually hard. I did it with my mom, and just because you ain't lifting weights doesn't mean you ain't working out. Like, I swear guys that lift weights would have trouble doing that. So you should check it out. It's really easy. It's like a ballet workout. You know, ballet dancers are like the strongest out here. So I'll link it down below. Okay, the lighting in my house is literally atrocious, but here's my makeup look. Kept it simple. My hair is messy, but the way that it is, this is the fit. Shout out to my homegirl Anna for letting me steal these pants from her. I love them and I'm gonna order them. They're from Abercrombie, and now I'm making grilled cheese and some soup because I haven't eaten anything besides that chicken club from earlier. Okay, the only acceptable way to make a grilled cheese is to have butter in the pan and then butter on your second piece when you flip it. Also, this is a deluxe grilled cheese. I have lettuce, onion, tomato, mayo, mustard in there, along with cheese, salt and pepper. I would have added pickles and jalapenos, but we didn't have anything. So, okay, first bite. My mom made this soup.
Okay, we're together now. We had our day apart. Mine was boring. How was yours?
Mine was boring too. I just went to work, so.
Anyway, we're going out for the night. Say hi to Alyssa.
Hello.
She's a real one over here. We're going to local, so we'll let you know how it is. We'll see. It's also like, it's not raining anymore, but
It was like thunderstorm.
we'll see if that has anything to do with how good the night is.
And we're drinking Cosmos.
Oh, we're making another video right now. We're in the process. You'll see that one before you see this one. Okay, so we've made it to local. There's apparently there's a big reservation, so I don't know what's gonna go down tonight, but we'll figure it out.
So you look fucking beautiful.
Hell yeah, we do. Anyways, that's where it is.
Catch you on the flip side, motherfucker.
Good morning. Here's Renae. We had a great night. We went to local and then we went to La Roca in Winnipeg. It was great, actually. We had a really good night.
I didn't sleep at home last night.
Yes, I slept in.
She slept in my.
See, I gotta cut that shit out. Anyways.
Great night.
Oh, Alyssa's here. Great night.
Night.
The girls are home. We're safe.
We're gonna get breakfast.
We're gonna go get breakfast. So last day of the weekend. It's going pretty good.
I'm at the gym, baby. Whew. Okay, so this isn't the most beautiful thing ever, but it's 3 p.m. I haven't eaten yet because I was at the gym. So I just made some eggs. There's some avocado, cucumber, onions, jalapenos, feta. It's gonna be pretty good. Let's cut into this baby. Ooh, beautiful. Okay, I am now on my way to work. I'm 100% gonna be late. I also really don't wanna work, so. I had breakfast with Alyssa. We went out to Bluestone Cottage. It was so good. And now my dad made supper, so I had supper with my dad tonight, so that was nice. I'm just chilling. It's kind of blizzarding outside. Blizzarding. Can't speak. And yeah, lazy Sunday. Lazy weekend, apparently. I got coffee culture. So good. Got like a cheesecake, carrot cake combo. Nation. So. Okay, so I didn't film much of my Sunday night because I was just hanging out with my friend and it was nice. It was good to catch up. So yeah, thanks for watching this video. Like and subscribe.
Okay, so I haven't really done much else with my night. I have cleaned, I have done laundry. Just a solid Sunday night. Catching up on stuff, so it was good. I'm gonna end the weekend vlog here for myself. Hope you enjoyed a weekend in Winnipeg. My weekend, Renee's weekend. We love you. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.